In the recent exclusive interview with Xinhua in Geneva, Brand, president of the World Economic Forum, stated that China will continue to be a significant driver of global economic growth.
So China is the second largest economy in the world, 20% of the global GDP. The steps that China takes are incredibly important for the world. I think China works really well with the global South. China is also a major player in Asia, and I think China can be very important in making sure that there is progress in global trade negotiations through the World Trade Organization. China plays an incredibly important role in the global climate negotiations.